The HORL 3 is a unique and easy-to-use knife sharpener that gives your kitchen knives a razor-sharp edge in just a few minutes. Unlike traditional sharpening stones, where you move the knife over the stone, with the HORL 3 you roll the sharpener along the edge of the blade. No water needed. And thanks to the magnetic base, your knife stays perfectly in place at the right sharpening angle. Sharpening with the HORL 3 is surprisingly simple. First, grab your dull knife and choose the right sharpening angle. The HORL 3 comes with a 15 and 20 degree sharpening angle. The 15 degree angle is perfect for Japanese kitchen knives. For Western style knives, which often have a slightly softer steel, the 20 degree angle is the better choice. That one also works well for most pocket knives. If you're using the HORL 3 Pro, you get even more options. 10, 13, 15, 20, 22 and 25 degrees, making it even easier to match your knife's original angle. After choosing your angle, place the knife against the magnet. Once your knife is in place, start sharpening with the diamond grinding disc, the one with the medium grit. This disc realigns the edge of your blade and ensures a straight sharpening angle. Start with one side of the blade and roll your sharpener back and forth. Then rotate the knife off the base, reattach the knife, and repeat on the other side. How long you sharpen each side depends on how dull your knife is, but usually 1 minute per side is more than enough. Now switch to the fine ceramic disc by flipping the sharpener. Again, around 1 minute per side will do the job. The HORL 3 comes standard with 2 discs, a medium diamond disc and a fine ceramic disc. But there's also more HORL 3 sharpening discs available. You can go even coarser or a lot finer, depending on what sharpening result you want. Swapping them out is super easy, thanks to the new HORL Quick Lock system. Just twist, remove and replace. No tools needed. This makes using the HORL 3 from coarse to ultra fine really quick and easy. So, whether you're a pro or just getting started, the HORL 3 makes sharpening easy, fast and precise. Check out our full range of HORL sharpeners at knivesandtools.com.